If he gets this, it really shakes the competition up, and there's no if about it anymore because he's got that all three in his favour. It's a new America's record for Antonio Martin in the United States.
All right, guys, got my pre-workout meal here. Got some tropical smoothie. Got this chicken. What is this? Chicken bacon ranch. About to smash that. Got my chips. These boys be good right here. With these smoke. And then of course, got the sunrise sunset. Sitting in the parking lot. About to get out after I eat this and go straight to the workout. All right, guys.
Like before. Control it. Kick from the bottom. Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Yep. Come on. Come on. Here we go. That's it. There you go. Nice. That's what I'm talking about right there. Way to push me, man. Come on. Come on. This is the meat, man. This is it. Yep. Come on. There you go. That's what I'm talking about right there. Come on now. Let's go. Come on.
Get mad at it. Let's go.
Let's go. Come on. Yep. Come on. Let's go. Now drive. Drive it. There we go.
Yes.
Outstanding, my man. Come on. Rip it. Up. Let's go again.
Come on, you got it.
Come on. Now go. Explode. Finish it. Finish it.
Power up.
Tone.
Power up.
All the way up.
You got it.
Come on. Push. Push.
Push it, Tone.
Yeah. Come on, Tom.
Right there.
Strong.
Yep.
Let's go,
Come on.
man.
Come on.
Let's go.
That's it.
Sir.
Let's go.
Stay
That's
with
it.
it.
Wait,
Good job.
go
Let's go.
again. Finish it. Finish it. Bobby, one more.
Come
Let's
on.
go.
No.
All you.
It's
Let's go.
strong. Power.
Power. Power.
Yeah.
One more. Big boy. You got it. Now let's go. Now drive it. There
Got
we
it,
go.
Tone. Come on.
My man.
Lock out.
Push. Push.
So after this crazy workout, I had my post meal. I had a steak, broccoli, mashed potatoes, some shrimp, and a lobster tail. Delicious. They both got toys. Let's see who want to take the other puppy toy first. Look, this is how it starts. Now it's a fight. You know to go to that pad though. Good boy. Who's a good boy? Good boy. Now fight back. I've been working with him with that. Uh-oh. Of course, Blue is the biggest one, so he be winning most of the fights. Or you'll get him back every once in a while. It's easy to stop them. I can stop them anytime I want to, but they just playing. This is all day with them. This is what their day consists of, fighting. And want to leave and look, come back. So this was exciting, guys. We got invited out to this brand new bar slash restaurant that just opened up. That was nice. Here, show them the outside.
There it is. Just like that every time.